Hey, I got a hunting light that Odie Pro had sent me to try out. This is the brightest production light. Yeehaw! This is the farthest throwing light. Look at that. Wicked. The other lights don't have anything on this for versatility. Look at that. Darn pencil beam. Can zoom out, zoom in. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is by far the brightest, farthest throwing light that you can mount a you-know-what that I have found. This is called the KL52 Plus. We're going to run through the specs, we're going to open it up, and I'm going to show you what this thing's all about. Now, number one, of course, it mounts to your scope or firearm, and this is a zoomy. It will give that little square, but I'm telling you, you're going to like it. Comes with a ton of accessories, and you got 4 modules in there, a white, red, green, and IR, and we're going to test all these out. I doubt we'll probably test the IR, but the throw on this thing is just unreal. I've already taken it out and did some testing at night with it, and it just blew me away. And we'll cover what's inside the box, so let's get rolling. For starters, here's your module. Like here's the IR module, the white light. Basically what these do is you can screw these in to the light. They're interchangeable for whatever color light you want. And here's the light itself. Notice that it's a little bit bigger head on it. The zooming function is basically like this. I do believe I got the green light in there. It comes with 3,000 milliamp batteries. They're pretty decent batteries as well. The charger, bunch of O-rings, and the warranty is 30-day free replacement, 24-month free repair, and then a lifetime limited warranty on this thing. I'm not sure what LEDs it has in it, but they are bright, and it does produce a well-focused beam. We'll zoom it all the way out. Got the green light in. The thing is tight and very bright, as you'll see. And to change the modules, the LED modules, basically unscrew the cap. And there's the module right there. As far as mounts, you get a barrel mount to put onto a barrel, and then you can hook up your mount for the light. A clamp mount for, say, a larger barrel or whatever like that. Hook it to the light. Allen wrench for hooking up the mounts. And a nice pressure switch to mount onto a rifle or whatever. I'm going to tell you right now, build quality on it is exceptional, and the biggest thing I was surprised about was the amount of light output this thing has, and decent amount of runtime. I think it's up to 2.5 hours. But what we're going to end up doing is mounting it on this Steel Storm BB gun by Euramax, just to show you, and then we'll go out there at night and do some light output shots and let you get a real good feel of just how much output this thing has. You'll be surprised. And we're ready to roll. So let's go check it out. All right, we're going to do this KL52 at 4 meters away from my lux meter. I'm going to use that green light. We want to see what happens. Maybe I'll throw the white one in, but we're going to calculate. We're going to get the lux, and then we're going to calculate the throw. One mode only. I do believe I got her zoomed all the way in. Never done a green light before, so wonder if we'll have some something weird going on. Let's go check it out. All right, you're looking at 3,060 lux times 4 meters squared divided by the brightness of the moon. And then take the square root of that, which would equal, it's saying it went out to 442 meters of throw. Like I said, it might have something to do with that green light. It sure seems brighter than that. Let's throw that red module, or that white module in. All right, white module is in. Let's fire this guy up. Check her out. Look at that. I would say that lux meter, focused here, that lux meter's not reading that green green light better because I know that's brighter than the white one. Bright one was $38.99 lux, and calculate that up, 499 meters of throw out of that flashlight. 500. All right, now we got to do some beam shots. All right, it's kind of senseless, but I'm going to shoot at 62 meters away with this, what is it called? KL52, and see how that works. It's got a lot of blue tint to it with the camera, you can see there, but it's like blindingly bright at 62 meters. The white light is anyways. Let's move her down. That tree's 94 meters, and back there, way back there, is over 190. If I were to focus out, give you a little bit better idea. They got a Freddy mask right there, and it just picks that up unreal. Unreal. Look at this thing. Okay, now what we're doing, we're going to go to that hillside way back there, upwards of over 300 meters. And it does no problem. Look at this darn thing. What's going on here? I'm shooting down the road. 500 meters right there. Holy balls. This thing is huge, bright. Even focused out. Yeah. Let's switch lenses. We're gonna move back down here. We're gonna do the 94 meter. Let's get a different module in. All right, I got that green module in, so look at that thing. I'm telling you, that shoots farther than the white one in my eyes. The human eye could pick that up better. That's 94 meters all the way down. Same thing. Up to 500 meters down there. Keeping this light. It's like a pencil beam. Look at that thing. I'm going to walk down the road with it. Just shine it back. All right, here's the red tint drop-in module. That's 62 meters away, that tree. Of course, your eye doesn't pick that up near as good, but this thing rockets out there. 94 meters. You know what? If you were to put this onto a rifle, I mean, up there is over 200 meters. You literally, if there was deer, which sometimes there is, out there, like that light down there, reflected, easily see deer 300 meters away with this thing, with this red light. That is just point blank wicked. I have never had a red light shoot out this far. Never. I'm gonna zoom out. You look, 94 meters. The thing's a pencil beam. This thing is wicked. I like this light. Really like it. Alright, I got my truck headlights on and I got the green module in on this light. And just want to show you a comparison. Look at that. Even zoomed out, that washes out truck headlights. That's how precise this thing is. Unreal. Good comparison. I got this steel storm out. I got the green light on. It's not really zoomed in. They're zoomed in. So you got to focus out a little bit. That's a cowbell right there. Let's try her in auto, huh? Pretty neat. It's going to stay on that gun. Pretty neat. Well, like I said, very impressed with the amount of light output this thing has. Yeah, it's got a little bit bigger head on it, but man, does this thing throw far. I really like this light. And build quality, everything just excellent on it. Kind of hard to go wrong. And I do believe you could use this out to over 300 meters quite easily with go ahead and check that link out down below from Odie Pro on Amazon. Yeah, it's a little bit more pricey, but the amount of light you get and the versatility of this thing is just unreal. Hard to beat. So there you go. Till the next time. The KL52 Plus. Check it out.